Good morning. So this morning it is our last day in the Fuji Yoshido area. I don't know. We're like literally in front of Fuji Highland Q. I don't know what this area is called, but like our hotel is literally walking distance to Fuji Highland Q, and our view of Mount Fuji is like absolutely stunning. Today it is our last day here in this area and we're heading back to Tokyo. As you guys can see, my nose is pretty red right now just because the past 2 days I haven't been feeling that well. I have a runny nose, I have a sore throat. It's just unfortunate because I got sick on Valentine's Day and then tomorrow is actually my birthday, so I'm really just hoping to rest up today. We're probably not going to do too many things too crazy just because we're traveling back to Tokyo and that's probably going to take over 2 hours to get to our new hotel. Our next hotel is pretty exciting though. We're staying at the Prince Park Tower, and that's the one where you can see the Tokyo Tower with this gorgeous view in our room. So I'm actually really excited. That's like the #1 hotel that I was actually looking forward to for this whole entire duration in Japan. So I'm excited to show you guys, but today is gonna be a full rest day. I'm probably gonna go pick up like some vitamin C drinks from like a convenience store, and hopefully I feel better for tomorrow because tomorrow we have a really hectic day. But yeah, we're just gonna pack up and we're gonna check out of this hotel and then we're gonna be heading back to Tokyo. So let's go. Whew. Tired. Finally. What? Wait, why is there so many rooms? Whoa. Look at this.
Ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
What is this?
Oh my god! You're having difficulty opening it up?
I can see why the guy really
Wow.
clip, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's beautiful! Alright guys, I look terrible right now, but I'm actually really excited because we just checked into Prince Park, Tokyo, and we have like the most stunning view of the Tokyo Tower, and I have to give you guys a room tour because this is a 5-star hotel and I've been looking forward to this particular stay this whole entire duration of our Japan trip. So we're officially here. We're gonna be spending, was it 3 nights or 4 nights here?
4 nights.
We're spending 4 nights here and it's gonna be amazing, babe.
Yep.
He did all this.
Yep.
So.
Asked him for the room. That's the most, the best content for my girlfriend. It's her birthday.
Hey. Love you.
Not you.
Room tour right now. All right, so once you enter, you have this area right here to the right. You got an espresso machine, which I would definitely be using. Oh my god, they got some M&Ms over there, some wine glasses, cups, a mini refrigerator with like stocked up like juices and stuff. Obviously, you had to pay for that stuff. You also have a closet. Oh my god, this is a big closet. You got some robes right here, which I will be using, slippers. And then once you come here, we got a bed, which is so stunning, 2 side tables. And then look at this, guys. They got some like teddy bears towels right there. So cute. We got a chair right here. And then over here, you got 2 water bottles and a happy birthday card. So sweet. And we have some biscuits that they gave us, which is so sweet. And then here we have a TV and a desk.
Check out the washroom.
What's wrong with the washroom? Oh, damn. Oh my god.
Okay, so it has a separate...
Wow. So this is the washroom. Whoa. That's cool.
Well, how about you guys see the view?
Oh my god. Wait, so we can take a bath? No. We can take a bath with the Tokyo view. Stop. Stop. So like we have this massive tub here. We also have a standing shower, guys, which like come on. Like am I gonna take a shower? Am I gonna take a bath and look at the Tokyo Tower? Yes, 100% yes. Ah, so beautiful. And I'm gonna do my makeup hair. Like, oh my god. This is amazing, babe. Yay! What's this door? This just Oh, the toilet is separate?
Yeah, separate.
Oh my god, there's a separate compartment for the toilet. And the toilet area has its own sink. Like a mini sink in here. Oh my gosh, guys, the lighting in this room. We have so much natural lighting. My view is of the Tokyo Tower right now. It's like on the left side of me and it's so freaking beautiful. And look at these like towel teddy bears. They're adorable. So my boyfriend made all the reservation for this and it's just like a dream come true, honestly. I've been meaning to stay at this hotel for like the longest time, but it's like a really pricey hotel and he made it happen. Love you, babe.
Love you.
So we were also gifted these biscuits for my birthday, so I'm gonna try it. You wanna join? He's just trying to figure out certain things right now, the logistics of room service. Okay. So there is milk flavor, strawberry flavor, and sweet flavor. I'm guessing this is chocolate though. Which one do you want to try, babe?
I'll try the chocolate one.
Alright, here we go.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try the strawberry flavor one. Its shape as a flower. That's so pretty. It's so soft.
Oh, that's delicious. Wow.
That was really good.
Yep. Those are good cookies.
I'm actually pretty hungry, so I'm gonna eat another one. Milk flavor. Babe. This is milk, but tastes like chocolate. Does it not taste like chocolate? Like, oh, milk chocolate maybe?
But it's not too sweet, so it's good.
This one is called sweet though. I don't know what that means.
Oh, that is so good.
Alright. Next one. This is chocolate. It's like a biscuit chocolate.
Yeah, it's chocolate, but not too sweet.
That's delicious. Oh my god. Alright, so there's 3 left. I'm gonna save it. So today is gonna be a chill day just because I'm not feeling that well. But we definitely need to sort out our luggages. We delivered our luggages from our Apple hotel to here early. So the time when we were in Mount Fuji area, we did not have our big luggages, which thank goodness, because it was a trek to get there. So if we had our big luggages, it would have been torture. But thank goodness they have delivery services now, so you just pay a certain fee and then they deliver your luggages to your hotel. So from our Appa hotel in Shinjuku delivered to this Prince Park, Tokyo, it cost around like $50, which honestly is a steal. Because if you want me to lug my luggages through the train stations, multiple train stations, and go to Mount Fuji and back, it's not gonna happen. But yeah, we're just gonna sort our luggages today, and we're also gonna do maybe some shopping, rest up a little bit. Don't know what we're gonna do for dinner. We're probably just gonna pick somewhere spontaneous and go from there. And you know, usually the spontaneous dinners are always the most delicious. So we'll see what we stumble upon. It doesn't have to be by the schedule. Like, we don't have anything planned for today. So let's just explore and see where it takes us. I'll show you guys where we go later.
Babe, what do you think about my heart? What do you think about my heart?
What? Wow. Milk tastes so good.
been a long time. I was on the sideline waiting for you. We could go to California or anywhere you wanna. As long as I'm with you, I'm alright. And we don't need the drama. We found our own nirvana. So run away with me tonight. 'Cause it feels like I'm dreaming when I'm waking up next to you. And my wild heart is beating because it's beating next to you. Let's find something better to hold on to, 'cause we can do anything we want to. And I can't help the feeling that I get when I'm next to you. Ooh, ooh, you just gotta make your mind up. Just give me a sign if you want a ride. They don't really wanna know, so we throw away our phones, go Bonnie and Clyde. We could go to California or anywhere you wanna. As long as I'm with you, I'm alright. And we don't need the drama. We found our own nirvana. So run away with me tonight. 'Cause it feels like I'm dreaming when I'm waking up next to you. And my wild heart is beating because it's beating next to you. Let's find something better to hold on to, 'cause we can do anything we want to. And I can't help the feeling that I get when I'm next to you. Will you run away?